Struggling to meet your protein needs on a vegetarian diet? How much protein do you need? For strength training, aim for at least 1.4 grams of protein per kilogram of lean body mass. Is all protein the same? No. The quality of protein depends on its digestibility and amino acid profile. Animal-based proteins are considered superior due to their better digestibility and more complete amino acid profile. Misleading articles suggest impractical solutions like mung sprouts or soy. Let's get real about what works. 1. Incorporate besan rotis in diet. Besan offers 22 grams of protein per 100 grams with a higher digestibility score compared to wheat, which has 10 grams of protein per 100 grams. 2. Add low-fat paneer and dairy to your meals. Low-fat paneer is a nutritional powerhouse. 3. Supplement with whey protein. Whey protein bridges the gap when food sources alone aren't enough. Lastly, eat more quinoa-based breakfast. Quinoa is a complete protein source and is often hailed as a superfood. Keep your diet diverse. Experiment with new healthy snacks and meal ideas to keep your diet fresh and fun. Transform your diet and fitness with this protein-packed vegetarian blueprint.